Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone. Today's subject is English with me, Mr. Fizri, and today is Monday, 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 22nd February 2021. 22nd, 22. You have to put ND, ND. 22nd kena ada ND. Okay, the subject is English. Okay, our activity for today is reading. Okay, reading. What is reading? Reading is membaca. Look at these boys and girls. What are they doing? They are reading. Okay, mereka tengah membaca. Okay, before we start, I just want to tell you that reading is very important. Okay, membaca sangat penting kalau nak pandai. Okay, kalau nak pandai kena rajin membaca. Okay, if we read, we can gain more knowledge and more info. Lebih banyak membaca, lebih banyak ilmu pengetahuan. Kalau malas membaca, pemikiran kita tak berkembang lah. Ilmu kita sikit. Kalau if you like to read more, then it is good for you. Okay, so today I want you to read a story about a scarecrow. Okay, this is a scarecrow. Ini namanya scarecrow. Okay. I want you to open your textbook, page 5. Page 5. Okay. This is a story about a scarecrow. Okay, this is a very scary story. Cerita ni seram sebenarnya. If you understand the story, then awak akan tahulah cerita ni seram. Kalau tak faham, awak tak tahulah. Okay, I want you to read this story by yourself. Baca sendiri and then look at the blue words, the bold words. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are 8 bold words. Ada 8 perkataan yang telah dihitamkan. Okay, I want you to match. Okay, look at this. Match the words or phrases in bold in the passage to the meanings given below. Okay, padankan. For example, number one, extremely large. Extremely large. Sangat besar. Agak-agak yang mana sama dengan maksud sangat besar. Okay, I will read this for you. Organic, animus, stretch out, effective, devastated, took out, rose up, glance, okay, ataupun glance. Ada orang sebut glance, ada orang sebut glance. Alright. So yang mana sama maksud dengan yang bawah ini? Okay, look at number 1. Extremely large, sangat besar. Okay, number 2. To look quickly at somebody or something. Melihat secara cepat terhadap seseorang atau sesuatu. Kita tengok orang, kita pandang cepat-cepat. Cepat-cepat kita dah alihkan pandangan. Number 3, to put out a long arm. To put out, okay, kita regangkan tangan. Okay, kita keluarkan tangan kita dengan sepanjang yang boleh lah. Ataupun hulur tangan. Okay, like that. Number 4, something produced without using artificial chemicals. Okay, bahan-bahan tu dikeluarkan ataupun dibuat tanpa menggunakan bahan kimia. Okay, chemicals ni kimia, bahan-bahan kimia. Okay, number 5. To feel very shocked and sad. To feel very shocked and sad. Rasa sangat terkejut dan sedih. Okay, number 6. Producing a successful result. Mendapat keputusan yang sangat berjaya, sangat memberangsangkan. Okay, number 7. To remove it from its place. Kita hilangkan daripada tempat asalnya. Okay, number 8. An upward movement. An upward movement. Pergerakan ke atas. Okay. So you have to copy number 1. Salin dulu number 1. Extremely large. And then agak-agak yang mana satu sama maksud dengan extremely large. Okay. This story tak perlu salin. You don't have to copy this story. Story tak perlu salin. You don't have to copy. But if you want to draw the scarecrow, you can do it. Boleh lukis gambar scarecrow kalau suka. Kalau tak nak, tak apa. It's okay. Questions kena salin. You have to copy the questions and answer the questions. Okay. Okay. Example. Okay. Example. Contoh. Okay. Number 1. Okay. Number 1. I've given you the answer already. Okay. Number 1. Extremely large. Sangat besar. Okay. The answer is enormous. Enormous. Enormous ni maksud ni sangat besar. So sama. Extremely large. Okay, so number 2. Apa tadi perkataan dia? Number 2. Okay. To look quickly at somebody or something. What is the answer? Tulis dulu. Dalam buku Iwan in your Iwan book. Tulis dulu soalan and then sama dengan jawapan. Okay. You can open your dictionary, you can Google, you can ask your father, mother and family, boleh guna apa-apa jua bahan yang ada, boleh tanya kawan ataupun family, boleh Google juga, cari maksud di internet, no problem. Jangan takut salah. So after you have finished this, please take picture of your work and then please WhatsApp me personally. Okay, hantar secara personal, WhatsApp personal kepada saya kerja yang dah siap. Jangan masuk dalam grup. Okay, setiap minggu saya dah pesan tapi pun ada juga yang masukkan dalam grup. So I hope this time jangan masuk dalam grup sebab bila dah ramai-ramai tu susah saya nak tanda, mungkin saya tak perasan and saya nak komen pun susah. Okay. And one more, saya nak elakkan daripada orang lain meniru jawapan awak. If you put in the group, if you put your answers in the group, kan, your friends might copy your answer. Mungkin ada kawan yang akan tiru jawapan. So kita tak nak benda tu berlaku. Okay? Can you do this? Okay, so you have to do number 1, 2, 3 until number 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Skip one line, selang satu baris and write the day and date. Tuliskan hari, Monday, 22nd February 2021. Okay, the title is reading. Tajuk dia reading. And then terus buat salin soalan and then you can draw the picture of the scarecrow. This is scarecrow. Inilah scarecrow. Okay, what is scarecrow? Scarecrow is orang-orang. Orang-orang. You can find the word scarecrow in here. Scarecrow. This one. Ni banyak. S-C-A-R-E-C-R-O-W. Scarecrow. Scarecrow is orang-orang. Kita letak di sawah padi. We put it at the paddy field to scare the crow or the birds, untuk menakutkan burung-burung daripada makan padi kan. Okay, so that's all. So I hope you can do this work and good luck. Okay, bye.